Welcome back to Sam's watch review. This is a tutorial for this watch, Casio B-650. Anyway, if you want to know more about this cool watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first you need to be in the timekeeping mode, and that will look like this one. And if you are still in the other mode, just press the mode button until it shows the time without anything flashing or blinking. Okay, next in the timekeeping mode, you can change the time format by pressing this one, the start stop button on the top left. So now it's the 24-hour format, and this one is the 12-hour format. Okay, next you can activate the backlight by pressing the light button on the right side, this one, and it will show the backlight like this. Okay, and then the next one is the LCD check, and to do that you might want to hold the watch in this position and then press the three buttons at the same time, but the trick is to press the light button or the start stop button a bit earlier, and then after that the other two. So for example this one, and yes, we have this LCD check screen. And to exit from this one, just press any button. Okay, and then the next one is the Casio check, and to do that press and hold the start stop button on the top left, and it will show this one, Casio, on the display. Okay, next we can also do the alarm sound check, and to do that, from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button, and now we are in the alarm mode. And in this alarm mode, press and hold the start stop button, and it will give this beeping sound. Anyway, it will also change the setting of the alarm, so you might want to return to the previous setting by pressing again the start stop button, but not hold, just press 1, 2, 3, so it will return to the previous setting. Okay, and then the next one, we will set the time and date, and to do that press the mode button until it shows this adjust mode, this one. So the second is now flashing or blinking. And yes, let's start with setting the second. We can reset the second by pressing this one, the start stop button, and it will become 0. And if the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like that one. Okay, next let's move on to the next item to set by pressing the light button. So now is the hour, and yes, you can use the same button, the start stop button, to increase. So this one 16, yes, and so on. So press the start stop button, but let me return to 16 because I'm using this watch a lot right now. Okay, and then next press again the light button, and we are moving to the minute. And again, you can use the start stop button to increase the number. So I will just add 1 for now. Okay, and then press again the light button, and now is this one, the month, May. You can use the start stop button to increase the number, so June, July, and so on. So let me press and hold and so on. Okay, back to May. Okay, press again the light button, and now is the date. You can use the start stop button to increase. So yeah, let me again return to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, press again the light button, and now is the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So let's return to okay, and then press again once more. Now return to the setting of the second, and if you're done with the setting of the time and date, just press the this one, the mode button, and we'll be back to the timekeeping mode, and you're done with the setting of the time and date. Okay, now let's move on to the next mode, and that is the alarm. We will set the alarm. So let's say I want to set this one as a wake up alarm at 5:30 in the morning. So to set that one, just press the light button, and now we can set the hour. And to increase the number, use the start stop button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then again the light button, and now I can set the minute and use the start stop button again. So let's set as 5:30. Okay, yes, and now let's press again the light button, and done. So we have set the time for the alarm 5:30. And then the next thing to do is to set which features are active. So this one is the alarm. The alarm for 5:30 is active, or daily alarm. And if you press the start stop button at the top left, it will cycle through the options. So this one is alarm only, and this one is the hourly signal only, meaning that you will get beeping sound every changing of the hour. And then this one is both active for the daily alarm and also the hourly signal, and this one both are not active. So let's for this video, let me show you if both are active. Okay, and then yeah, that's all for the setting of the alarm. Okay, now let's press the mode button and it returns to this one, the timekeeping mode. And let's move to the next one, the stopwatch. And now for the stopwatch, two of the most common way to use the stopwatch is, first let's start with the start and stop. So this one, press the top left button to start, and yes, the same button to pause. Okay, again to continue, and again to pause or stop. And if you want to reset, press the light button. Okay, and then the next one is to use the split time. Easy, press this one, start, and then press the light button to split. So in this case, it shows 3:55, so 3 seconds and 55 hundredth of a second, and the time now is still running in the background. So if I press again the split button, in this case the light button, it will jump to the time that is currently running in the background. So yeah, 24 and so on. Okay, and if you're done with the split time, you can again press the start stop button to stop, and then reset using the light button. And yeah, that's all for all the settings and operation of this watch, Casio B-650, a cool watch with a silver matte finish and also stainless steel bracelet. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.